Okay, so here we have my outboard motor, and I've been having some issues with it, so I want to disassemble it and just see if we've got any bad electrical problems or anything that needs to be cleaned up. I need to pull this flywheel here, but I don't have, as I've seen in some other YouTube videos, a large strap wrench, a ratchet tie that doesn't seem to work very well. So I got this idea. I see these little holes up here, and it may be that there's a specific tool that locks into these holes so that you can leverage and pull that nut off there. But what I've done is, of course, I've already attempted this, but I have taken a board and drilled I used 1.5-inch paddle bit. You see how pretty of a job that was. But we ain't going for beauty, we're going for functionality here. And I've just put those screws in there like that. Of course, I measured everything and taken and put a metal rod up there so I don't have to use two hands on this. I just take and it's kind of hard to do while I'm filming. Take and put my socket down in there. In this case, it was a metric 19. The 1.75 wasn't quite big enough. The idea of this is you lock in your board here with your screws in it. That keeps your flywheel from spinning, and then you just use your breaker bar and spin like so. I've already broke the nut loose, but you get the idea. If you're in a pinch and you ain't got the right equipment, you can still take this off relatively easy. But we'll just go ahead and pull this, and it'll splash right down there in my bucket. Alright, that little tool has served its purpose, and now we can remove the nut, which was very tightly put on there, probably more tight than what it needed to be. And there you have it. And all you got to do is get your pulley on there and, well, screw it down, pick it up, take it off. We'll see if I even need that, but at least I got it. I had to go and buy some 1/4-inch coarse threaded bolts here. I think it's 24. I don't remember what the thread count was on it, but that just takes, you get your puller, you put these down in it to the little holes up here, and then you tighten your puller down and it'll pop that flywheel right off there. That's the hope. Alright, we'll tune in and see what we got later on.